To keep your business compliant and rolling, there are many moving parts. Vehicle maintenance, logistical strategies, and maintaining DOT driver files, just to name a few. Tracking driver renewals can seem like easy management, but it can turn into the biggest headache. Something as simple as an expired driver's license can result in your drivers being stuck on the side of the road. Spreadsheets, manual calendars, emails, text messages, unanswered phone calls, file cabinets, copy machines, oh my. No wonder your compliance team is overwhelmed. Take your 15-step process and shrink it to 3 with DQMConnect. DQMConnect automatically tracks and notifies the driver and admin of a renewal coming due, so that step is off your plate to focus on more important items. Drivers have access to update required documents right from their phone or tablet, making collecting proof of renewal easy for both drivers and admins, even when a driver is across the country. An admin can now review, update, and approve the new document to be filed away. It's that easy. So when your driver pulls away from the terminal, you can be confident that they are DOT compliant. Give us a call or visit us at imfortrucks.com for a demo.